Okay, so this is the song I made. It's to show you that that music has the power to take someone from one emotion to another, and I believe that music has that power. So I made this song up to show that it does that. So yeah, it goes this too, eh? Yeah. Sometimes life is hard. All I can say is to be strong. Left foot, right foot, walking through the storm. People that care for you help you along. Experience reveal the way. I never listened to a word my heart would say. Yes, I did find it hard sometimes. That loneliness, yeah, is need to find. Is someone with love, yes, to guide me. Why does life have to be cruel this way? I never listened to a word my father would say. All I need, yeah, is me, you and I. Me, you, and I. Listen up now, little bit. Sometimes, life is hard. All I can say, yes, is to be strong. All I really need, someone with love, yeah, to guide me. Why does life have to be cruel this way? Yeah, I never listened to a word my heart would say, but all I need is me, you, and I. Me, you, and I, yeah. Me, you, and I. All I need is you and I. 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 All I need is me, you and I. Yeah, yeah. Love, love.